Hey there, how are you? So first of all, thank you very much for being here. My name is Bruno and I'm a website reviewer that can help you take your website to the next level. On this video, I'm just going to show you real quick what is the kind of service that I provide. So let's move my face here on this small bubble. So let's say you have this website and you want me to review the website. Maybe you want me to help you with the UX, with the UI, with the user journey. It depends, okay? I can adjust to your needs. What I would do is I would do comments. For example, I'm going to send you this video, okay? This is the kind of video that you're going to receive. So for example, I could tell you like, hey, this text is too small. Maybe this call to action is not very visible. You can change the color to have a better combination. Those kind of comments, okay? But again, I can adjust to your needs. So you can just send me a message and we can discuss what kind of package is the best for you. Because also, if for example, you want me to check how your website looks on mobile, we can also do it, okay? I offer that service on the premium package and I can help you with the website responsiveness, okay? And I can also check the website on mobile. So anything you need, feel free to send me a message and we can discuss here exclusively on Fiverr. Thanks.